Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna show you how to redeem code on FreeFire Max. If you want to redeem your FreeFire Max code online, then the process is quite easy. Simply open a web browser and in the URL box type in reward.ff.garena.com and search. Once you get to this rewards redemption site, select one of your login methods from the options at the top. Choose the login method that matches your FreeFire account from Facebook, VK, Google, Apple ID, Twitter, or Player ID. After selecting one of the options, you will then need to log in, enter your login credentials, and authorize access to your account. On the next page, enter your redemption code. Paste in or type in the 12 characters redemption code you have into the redeem your code box. Make sure to type in your correct code and tap on confirm. Double check for any errors before proceeding and you will receive a confirmation message stating the rewards has sent to your in-game mailbox. Now simply go ahead and open up FreeFire Max application and go to the vault section and collect your rewards. That is how you can easily redeem FreeFire Max code within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.